कौमारी निगमार्थ गोचर करी ओंकार बीजाक्षर वेणीनीलसमानकुन्तलधरि नित्यान्नदानेश्वरी साक्षान्मोक्षकरी सदा शुभकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी साक्षान्मोक्षकरी सदा शुभकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरी माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरी माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी आदिक्षान्तसमस्तवर्णकरि आनन्दनित्येश्वरी काश्मीरा त्रिपुरेश्वरी त्रिनयनि विश्वेश्वरी शर्वरी आदिक्षान्तसमस्तवर्णकरि आनन्दनित्येश्वरी काश्मीरा त्रिपुरेश्वरी त्रिनयनि विश्वेश्वरी शर्वरी स्वर्गद्वारकपाटपाटनगरि काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरि माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी स्वर्गद्वारकपाटपाटनगरि काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरि माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्रीनित्येश्वरी
I'll answer some of your questions. Then I'll move to next process. Maybe you can pick up mic and then ask for my attention. Just little time, because still you guys need to be settled. We are entering into some of the most deepest process today, the bioenergy process. We are actually in the last leg of the Nityanandoham. As I said, now I am going to do the finishing, polishing, pedicure, manicure, and bolting the whole experience inside. So it is a most subtlest part of you.
Nityananda Swamiji.
Mm.
Just want to share a deep experience that happened in the morning. When we were asked to close the eyes and sit for meditation, I just had the vision of the temple where for the past 3 generations, my grandfather and they're all, even now we are there. It's a Lord Venkateshwara's temple in a village. The whole temple came back to life. Everything was like this, the throne, gold. And all the deities are so well decorated. Lord Srinivasa, Sri Devi, Bhudevi, and Andal, Padmavati Tayar, Acharya, the whole shrine came to life. And they're all so well decorated, like Brahmotsam. Utsav is just in the Prakaram. Padhyam and all the mantras, everything is happening alive in my inner space. And I see Swamiji there. And when they told me to open, much before the instruction, I had opened my eyes. And I see the same Lord here giving the instruction. It was so beautiful, Swamiji. Thank you so much.
Tathast. Actually, your family DNA is fulfilled.
Thank you, Swamiji.
And do you know, today is Vaikuntha Ekadashi?
Thank you, Swamiji. I had darshan of Sachalamurti, Nachalamurti, both. Thank you so much.
Both sides, Swamiji.
Yesterday and today. Because we are here, it's a
Door side.
door side. Go ahead.
Hello, Swamiji. I wanted to share the great story. I think it was yesterday or before yesterday, because time says 24 hours, I don't know what time was this. Nitya Devi. Nitya Devi told us the story about the manifestation. And when I heard the story, it was so amazing. And I said to myself, I want to manifest something too. I want to manifest those safety pins. I want to manifest. I even met her and I said, it's amazing. I'm speechless. The next morning, I received the laundry and I have a safety pin on my t-shirt. First, I didn't realize it, but I think it's a first step of manifestation.
I can say it's a first step. And with this process, you may be able to see the whole science expressing in your body, little more completion, you may be able to make it happen into you. I'll push this whole thing into you.
Thank you, Swamiji. Also,
I'm like a server, I'm taking down the order.
thank you. Also, please, out of 250 words that I saw, I really saw 2 words. So, can you please make it permanent and more?
Tathast.
Thank you, Swamiji. First question, you heal us on many different levels. And I have a question, who heals you? Because you have a cold?
No, don't worry about that. I'm like 10 elephants entering into one hut. Still, it is there in the shape itself is a big thing. So cold is too small thing, don't worry. The whole process which I am doing, this body is the center of it's like a nuclear reactor. When so much is happening, a small one corner in a car, how the exhaust pipe a little bit goes out. So like that little only is getting
So it's okay.
So don't worry about it.
Right, because I'm a mother and I'm looking at you.
Don't worry.
Should I bring
Actually,
you?
no, I appreciate your concern. What is happening here in the system and what you are seeing outside, it is too small. Leave it, don't worry.
Thank
I am
you
okay.
so much. Thank
And
you.
all you guys know, if you catch the cold, how it turns your whole day and the mind and whole thing. Do you see any of the symptom in the face?
Absolutely not.
Relax, that's all.
Thank
So
you,
much,
Swami.
see, so much heat is being released when this process, especially when this powerful bioenergy activation happens. So this cold is nothing, actually. Too small.
Right. All right.
And I am not even attending to it. That's why I am just lifting it.
Great.
Actually, if you guys have a cold cough, I have a good solution. There's a turmeric they call it Verali Manjal in Tamil. And if you just burn that that turmeric and catch the smoke, it will become all right. That's what I am doing, and it's becoming all right.
Turmeric.
I am not taking any antibiotic or medicine. I am just catching the smoke of the turmeric. Like this, it will be. There are two types of turmeric. One will be like a finger. That turmeric you have to catch. You have to get it. Maybe I'll tell the kitchen to provide. Whoever wants, you can take it and use. You'll have to just burn the one corner and catch the smoke, and it will be healed. That's much better than any other solution.
So let them bring turmeric, everybody will be.
Yes.
Get rid of cold. I have-
And this cold is too small, don't worry. The kind of a work happening, and it's too small.